Hello! If you've been searching for the best Microsoft Office alternative this year, we're excited to show you a powerful suite that works perfectly on Windows, Mac, and Linux.
That's right. Whether you're looking to replace Microsoft 365 or you're moving away from Google Workspace, WPS Office is the top-rated choice. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss the best tech deals.
Hi, I'm Anna, and welcome to our channel. I want to remind you to check out the WPS Office promo code and discount link in the video description to get the best price on your subscription.
Whether you need a free Office suite for students or a professional tool for your business, WPS has a plan for you. Let's get started and look at why this is the ultimate MS Office replacement.
First, let's talk about compatibility. If you're looking for software compatible with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, WPS is 100% seamless. You won't lose any formatting when switching files.
And for everyone asking how to edit a PDF on Mac or Windows without Adobe, WPS includes a professional PDF toolkit. You can edit text, convert files, and sign documents all in one place.
Now, let's compare the plans. If you need free Office software, the WPS Standard plan gives you the basics plus cloud storage for $0.
But for power users, WPS Pro is a total steal at just $2.99 a month. It's the most affordable Office software that includes advanced PDF tools, no ads, and works on up to 9 devices simultaneously.
We also have to mention the AI Office features. If you want an AI writer or an assistant that can summarize long PDF reports in seconds, the WPS AI plan is a game changer for your workflow.
It really puts other cloud productivity tools to shame. It's faster, lighter on your RAM, and much more intuitive.
For those concerned about privacy, WPS offers a secure, interrupted workspace with end-to-end encryption and a strict no-tracking policy.
That's why it's a top-rated Google Docs alternative and has been recognized by CNET and Forbes. With over 600 million users, you know your data is in hands safe.
In conclusion, if you want a low-cost Microsoft Office alternative that doesn't sacrifice power, WPS Office is the winner.
Check that discount link in the description to lock in your savings today. Cheers, and thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more software reviews and tutorials.
Happy working, and we'll see you in the next video.